family. So I'm driving to work this morning. Last night we had a bunch of storms, and I'm looking at people. Look at people. Watch this. It was a storm last night. The road is blocked off. So I came up, and you know, just like it says right here, it doesn't say turn around, but it gives like a caution. So you would think people would turn around, but people are just going through, right? This storm cloud has come. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Some people are turning around and going the other way. And then look at this. Some people are just taking caution, and they're coming on through, right? They're not getting derailed at all. I thought about me, right? You have storm clouds that come. You get derailed. You get sidetracked. You get thrown off your course, off your regular course. You know what I mean? You get turned around and you go a whole nother direction and come all the way around, and you come back around. You still get to your destination, but you have to take a longer way around. And that's something. Where are you at in your life? Are you allowing the storm clouds in your life? Are you allowing the storm clouds in your life to derail you? Or are you recognizing that it's just a storm? It's gonna pass. Or I could still get through. Even though the storm came through, jacked everything up, I can still get through. That's why I need you to be. I need you to recognize these things for what they are and keep it moving. Keep it moving, boo. That's the word of the day. Keep it moving.